In this video, you are going to see how to put blank lines before number in Microsoft Word document. We can apply two methods. Let's get started. Now, let us write here some number 1, 2 and 3 and put it in the right using the tab button. Let us press the tab, then it will in the right. For the first method, go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a line shape, hold down the Shift key and drag it like this. Go to Shape Outline, make it blank outline. Press Ctrl D to duplicate and you may put it like this. There is another beautiful method. Let me show you. Let me write here 1, 2 and 3. Now select these three numbers. Go to Home, click on this option, Paragraph Setting. Go to Tabs and let me write here the tab stop position is 3. Choose this option 4. And click on OK. Click before the number and hit the tab sign. Now you can add the blank line before number very easily. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.